If you want to create a post for Pinterest, or if you want to create a flyer for Facebook and things like that, all you just need to do is describe exactly what you want to be in the poster. It's called AI poster. So it's more like an graphic designer to create a nicely designed poster for you to post on your Pinterest, Facebook, or Instagram stories. I particularly need this one because I post on Pinterest to advertise my affiliate link, and sometimes I don't really have an idea of how I want to visualize it, but I know what I want it to look like. So all I'll just do is to include what I want in the poster and to give you some variation of how it should look like. And that's what I'm going to be explaining to you in this video. To locate the AI poster, just click here and then go to AI poster. And look, you can make different posters for product display, promotion, branding, announcements, personal, like happy birthday announcement and stuff like that. So for me now, I want to promote my ebook guide. Yes, I have an ebook guide for people that want to move to the Netherlands to study as international students. It contains information about visa, admission process, scholarships, and affordable universities. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just basically going to do that. Select promotion because that's what I want to use the poster for, and then here I'm going to paste what the promotion is all about. You can also text, but I already have the text, so I just pasted it. And then here I'm going to upload an image of the ebook. Yes, you can also go to advanced scripts and edit all these things. I don't want there is no such thing as €5 off. It costs €5 for the first 50 people to buy. So no off. I'm just going to delete the off. Yeah, I think I like that. You can also edit the other text in it, but I like the text I have already. So I'm just going to let it be like that and click on generate. And it will generate different posters for you to choose from. Now this is the result. I really like this one, this first one here, but there is no such thing as 20% off. So it would not be perfect for the promotion. I like this one that also says new. I really like it. I like this one that says 5 for the first 50 buyer. I love it. In fact, everything just looks so good. So you can click on one of the ones you've chosen to edit them. So I'm just going to click on this one. I like this one the most, so I'll click on this and edit it. Click on edit. It says tap the layers or use the layer panel to edit each layer. Got it. Click on it. You can edit the font style. But honestly, there is nothing much I want to edit when it comes to the fonts and alignment. I'll just click on this pencil here. And here I'm going to put the euro sign. Yes. And now I think I like the way it looks. Yes. So I think I like what I'm seeing now. I want this text to be a little bit up so that it can be visible. And this one, I'm going to put it up a little bit. And then, yeah. This one up a little bit. And yeah, I think it looks good. So I'm just going to export it now. And it's done. If you're interested in the ebook, the link to get it would be in the comment section and in my description box. There are more things you haven't discovered in Capcut that I would show you. So make sure you subscribe, like, and stay notified. Bye. Share this video, please.